Alright guys, we're back again. NZDJPY. Been calling it bullish. Been saying it's bullish from, you know, you've seen the last few videos, or if not, just I've only got what, two or three other videos on NZDJPY. First one would probably be about 4 or 5 days ago. Next one would have been yesterday. So yeah, I've been calling this bullish for a while, saying that this is most likely a C and not a free. And the main reason was because after making that structure, we came up. Let me just clear my charts a bit, man. We were coming down in the potential 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, we've got here 1, 2, 3, 4. But we hit that 618, taken from the start of 2 to the end of 3. That invalidates your fourth wave. It needs to be a 38.2 or a 50 at the most. The moment we hit the 0.618, that's invalid for a fourth wave. They say that is extremely unlikely, but it's an invalidation because so many of the, why do I say so many? Because Bob Prechter, Coons, and some other experienced Elliott Wave traders have never seen the fourth wave hit the 0.618. So if they've never seen it, they're more experienced Elliott Wave traders than myself. They like to say it's an invalidation. Therefore, in my books, it's an invalidation. But technically, original Elliott Wave is not an invalidation. But if you can find a fourth wave that hits that, carries on, and makes a normal fifth wave, yeah, then yeah, you let me know. So I'm not expecting a fifth wave. I'm expecting a reversal. Now, with the indicators on, just so you can see the EMAs, we are back above the 50 EMA. Strong closes above the 50 EMA. We broke above this structure and we're trading above the structure. We're above the 50 static or even outside the volatility band. I mean, look, I'm happy. If I was a swing trader, I'd just be buying. Stop loss would come right here. Yeah. Even depending on how you want to do this, because ultimately, I'm aiming for the head top. We'll just say the green line here. Yeah. Or even this channel here. Yeah, there's definitely liquidity resting above this channel in the form of trendline liquidity. I'm definitely aiming for there. So this is what you can do. If you were to just take the trade from exactly where price is now, put a safe stop loss, and just aim for anything above the green line or the channel. Okay, there you go. That's your risk to reward. Now, obviously, let's not get this twisted as well. Yeah, I do expect this to go. So if we're swinging, forget swing trading. Yeah, let's go to the 4 hour quickly. Yeah, all right. If you're a swing trader, you're a swing trader, innit? And you're expecting price, that can continue if the bias is correct. I would, for me, a swing would be up to there. That would be one of the biggest swings I've ever did because I'm a scalper. I don't hold like that, and there's no guarantee to me. I'd have to do further analysis that price would reach any further than that. But anyway, either way, what I'm doing today is hopefully price can get me into this area. That would be an amazing buy. All right. I'm looking for the 2 hours left of the 4 hour. We're in a new 2 hour candle. I'm hoping for a pullback. I'm hoping for a pullback. This is the last accumulation. This is an accumulation. We see how we manipulate that low. We went sideways. We were bullish. Went sideways, manipulated lows, break a structure to the upside. In line with Elliott Wave as well. In line with the market maker method as well. In line with liquidity concepts. And this would be my liquidity. This high would be my liquidity. That is the first. This is what I'm aiming for today. That's what I'm aiming for today. I just want a bit more of a discount. Now we've got this imbalance here, Anywhere in that imbalance is a good area to buy if you ask me. But I don't just jump in like that. I'm looking for even here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potentially. This thing's gonna turn around soon, you know, not majorly. I don't expect price to ever go below there today. I'm just looking for price to come back into this accumulation or this, and I'm taking it back up. If I go to the hour now, I just want to see. So we'd accumulate at the 13 or would ping the 13 and continue. Makes perfect sense to me. 15-minute time frame. It's an order block on the 15, and I think we've got some equal lows. No, they're alright. At the psychological high. We're above the psychological high. I forgot about it. I did say yesterday that I was expecting that. We're above it. I'm just literally, I don't like to jump in at the highs. Why buy at the highs and sell at the lows? It doesn't make sense. This place will give me a discount, yeah? I've got my alert here so I can get on the screen and have a good look. But most definitely bullish today, okay? That's another breaker structure confirming it. That is the minimal. Well, this is what this is what I'm aiming for over here after price pulls down, yeah. And then I'll probably go in quite heavy, and I'll just take all of my positions out once we clear the high. Even if we go above it by a pip, I'll just take all my positions out. So that's NZDUSD for now, okay. Bullish. If I want to put a count on the price action that's developing now, that could help, yeah. All right. Now this came back and touched the 0.886, but we're gonna count 1, 2, or AB, doesn't matter. And then inside here, this is what does matter. This is definitely what matters now. Are we getting a 1, 2, 1, 2, or is this a 1, 2, and is this gonna finish off as a 3, come back and do a 4? If it's finishing off to do a 3, I might not even get my pullback, and I'll be looking for shorts that over here, which will be kind of rubbish because I'm thinking that short would be for a 4th wave and not a 2. That's the 3rd wave target over here at 85980. Makes me think this is getting taken out. If I'm coming to this imbalance, yeah, it's a good target area. Another great target area just above. Yeah, I do want to get in to this, but I just don't want to jump in here. And the count would go like this for now. 1, 2, potentially we're looking for something like this. Potentially this is what we're looking for. Now price could snap down here and give me a reason to call this a 1, 2, 1, 2. All I know is that, or all I believe is that we are bullish. We're taking out this high. I keep saying how much I don't like that high. And there's a good imbalance in the supply zone just above that I actually think might be another good target. And ultimately price these equal highs just here, these equal highs, and the high to its left. We've even got some gaps in that above, but we're not trying to do too much. Yeah, if price was to I'd get out here. I wouldn't even look for there until I've got a retracement. If we broke here and got a deep retracement, I would load up. If we broke here and got a deep retracement, I would load up for this green line here. Alright, thanks a lot, and we'll be updating you later on. Peace.